Ever wondered how to charm without a makeup kit? Dive into the secrets of effortless cuteness that transcend cosmetics. Discover how to sparkle with natural allure and captivate with your genuine glow. Unveil the art of being adorably you. Makeup tips for a naturally adorable look. In this guide, we'll explore simple yet effective ways to enhance your natural beauty and embrace your adorable self without relying on makeup. The foundation of a naturally cute look starts with healthy, glowing skin. First things first, let's focus on skincare. Cleanse your face gently, using a mild cleanser to rid it of impurities. Hydration is key, so moisturize daily to keep your skin supple and soft. Don't forget sunscreen. It protects your skin and prevents premature aging. Embrace your natural skin texture. Imperfections are part of what makes you uniquely beautiful. Highlight your best features without makeup. A smile is your best accessory. Keep your teeth healthy and bright by brushing and flossing regularly. Emphasize your eyes by ensuring they're well rested. A good night's sleep works wonders. Curl your lashes for an instant eye-opening effect. Proper grooming of eyebrows frames your face naturally, so consider shaping them neatly. A cute look radiates from within, and that often starts with a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, which keeps your skin hydrated and vibrant. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins that promote skin health. Exercise regularly to boost circulation and give your skin a natural glow. A healthy lifestyle not only benefits your appearance but also your overall well-being. Clothing plays a significant role in complementing your adorable appearance. Choose outfits that make you feel comfortable and confident. Soft, pastel colors and playful patterns can add a cute touch to your look. Accessorize thoughtfully. A cute hairband, a delicate necklace, or a charming pair of earrings can accentuate your natural charm. An adorable trait anyone can possess is confidence. Embrace and love yourself for who you are. Confidence shines through and adds an extra sparkle to your natural beauty. Stand tall, smile often, and radiate positivity. Remember, being cute is about embracing your uniqueness and feeling comfortable in your own skin. Achieving a naturally adorable look without makeup is all about embracing your natural features, taking care of yourself inside and out, and exuding confidence. Embrace your uniqueness, focus on self-care, and let your inner cuteness shine. Remember, your natural beauty is something to be celebrated and cherished.